Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful thing here. This is a Triumph Thunderbird solo rack. Okay, very well made. You've obviously got to do the bolts up. You've got the 4 bolts to mount it to your bike with the washers. Okay, you've also got 2 bolts hold this bracket on, 1 bolt holds that bracket on. Now this obviously mounts to the seat bolts. This one here is fully adjustable, as you can see, and this will go, you know, to your other 2 bolts on the bike. Okay, so cracking bit of kit, very well made, German. This is billet alley. It's actually machined aluminium or aluminum, and very high quality. We also do a tubular one if you prefer the old-fashioned tubular look as well. But you can see the quality of this, nice thick CNC, bolts all countersunk and powder coated. Also available in chrome. If you're interested in any great products like this for the Thunderbird, we do crash bars, we do sissy bars, we do rider backrests, we do saddlebags, you know, you name it, literally. Screens, got some genuine Triumph screens on offer, and some luggage. Give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.